What's up? I'm Zach Olshafer and welcome to my channel if you're new. In this video, I'm going to be working on this portable speaker that I got from one of my friends. It doesn't have the brand on here, just the model TG117. But he told me that he bought this from like Temu or AliExpress for like a couple bucks. And he got it and it didn't work out of the box. So I'm just going to test it out really quick and make sure everything he said is the case. It's all still wrapped up. Got the little pamphlet in here. And I got a little USB charger. So let me get this out of here. And here's the speaker. So the brand is TNG. Kind of just made to look like a JBL from what it seems like a fake JBL. But let's try to get this powered on here. Hit the power button. And I'm gonna plug this in, see if it does anything different, and try to power it on off screen. So let me go do that real quick. Okay, I plugged it in off screen for a little bit and I tried to power it on and it would pop up all the lights would pop on for like a split second and turn off immediately. So I think I'm just gonna have to wind up taking this apart and seeing if there's anything that I could notice right away being the case. So I guess we'll just start by taking this apart. So there's screws under here. You could see that. So just pull this off. Yeah, because there's more screws all throughout here. So we'll just go through each one of these and get them all unscrewed really quick. Just make sure this is still in focus. It is. Okay. There we go, that's one screw. Get the second one here. Seems like there's only 6 screws on this in total. Looking over this, I believe just here. Should have watched a teardown video of this to know for sure. But I could always watch one if I need it, if I can't figure it out. Get that out of there. Now we'll just get this last screw on out. Oh, and just pulling that, I guess, just popped it right on off. So that's pretty good, pretty simple. Okay, so it looks like in here, it's just the button, the charger, USB port, and all the buttons. Let's just get this out. And, okay, so that's weird. These two, you get up close here. These two wires right here, I'm guessing they're supposed to go there probably. Guessing black goes to negative and red goes to positive. But let me go look up a teardown of this really quick and the schematics and check these go there. I'm guessing they do, and that could really be the only issue. So I'm gonna watch that really quick and then get back and try to fix this. Okay, so I watched a quick video and these are supposed to be plugged in right here and here. So I'm just gonna pop on the soldering iron real quick. Let that heat up a little bit. Okay, so the soldering iron is fully heated up. And I don't even think I'll have to put new solder on this. I'm just gonna try to solder these on one by one. So I checked, and on this, black goes to the negative side. It's gonna be hard to get a good angle to show you guys this. Just get this down here. I'm gonna have to do it this way probably. Onto here. That's on there, but not strong enough. I'm just gonna pull that off really quick. It's a little bit difficult just to angle it the right way. And that should be good. So that's the black wire done. And now let's get the red one on the same way. The angle is downwards. There we go. Get this soldered on right here. I hope you guys can see this. I'll have to watch this back and check to make sure. But get this down here. And I believe that is on there. It's a little bit not the neatest, but okay. I think that's a little bit better. Show you guys up close. It's all stuck on there now. Let's get this placed back in. Right in where it goes. Okay, that's in place right there. Just gonna pop this back on to hold it there really quick. Okay, there we go. Then just put this really quick to test it. So then hopefully this should turn on. There we go.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so we got a working speaker out of this. So I'm gonna just put this all back together and I'll test it. Okay, so now that we know it works, just gotta put all these screws back into here. So 6 total screws. It's gonna be another quick short video. Glad that we were able to fix this. Another simple issue. I really don't get how those wires weren't connected. It must have been from the factory. I don't know how that gets past quality control, but whatever. These are pretty cheap electronics. But I'm glad it was something that we could fix easily and didn't have to use any materials or anything really, just needed a soldering iron. So back-to-back videos where we were able to get a win by fixing the item, back-to-back speakers. What a coincidence, but you know, I'll take it. And hopefully I can get some more stuff in the future to try to fix. I got a Apple Watch coming in, but it is water damaged, so I don't really think I'll be able to fix it, but I'm gonna make like a little video, probably just taking it apart and seeing the actual damage inside. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. That'll be coming pretty soon if you want that. So now we got all of these screws back in. Now we just gotta pop this into place here. Oh, like the rubber just gets stuck. It's not going in right away. The screw might not be in all the way. That could be the issue. I think that was the issue. Let's see. Yep, it goes right on in now. Pop this all into place, pop this down here. Okay, just test it one last time. And there we go.
Bluetooth mode.
Got a working speaker out of it, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Stay blessed.